Hello, dear students. Today we will continue the lesson which we have already started on the other day. Lesson number 6, adjectives. We'll do exercise number A. And if you remember, the other day we have done, or we have just started, the ways of forming degrees of adjective. We have already seen some points, okay? We haven't finished. So those things we will do it today. Let's see the first point from the board as I've already written here. Adding ER and EST if ends in Y with a vowel before it. So what do we do here? It says, okay, by adding ER or EST if the positive degree ends in Y with a vowel before it. So let's see, for example, gay is in the positive degree, and when we come to the comparative, no, we write, okay, ER. So ER is added, and in the superlative, gayest, okay, EST is added. Okay, if we see the other one, like grey, GREY, and in the next we will write grayer, and here we will write greyest. So remember, by adding ER or EST, if the positive degree ends in Y with a vowel before it, you can see here it ends in Y with a vowel before it. So before that, what is there? A vowel. So in this case, we will add ER in the comparative and EST in the positive degree. So this is how we can change, okay, or form the degrees of comparison. Let's move on to the next one. Next one, it says, okay, by placing the other rule is by placing more or less and most or least before the positive form. So how do we form the degrees of comparison? By adding, what is that, more or less and most or least before the positive form. Let's see, for example, like active. Active, here we will write what? More active. More active, and here most active. And let's see the other one. Okay, one more example, like as I already told you, difficult. Let us write difficult here also. Difficult, here it will be more difficult, okay, more difficult, and here most difficult. So this is how we form. And one more we have for today's, that is by using unique forms for some single syllable words, also called irregular adjectives. Let's see one or two from here, like bad. So it becomes worst, and then this is worse and worst. One more, like good, bad, and here we will write, here we will write better, okay, good, better, and best. So the last one, as I already told you, by using unique forms of some single syllable words. So these are also known as irregular adjectives. So remember all the rules in the sense, okay, these are some ways of forming degrees of comparison. We have seen earlier there were almost, how many were there? 4, and today we have seen 3. So altogether there are 7 ways of forming degrees of comparison. I hope, okay, you have learnt those ways of forming, and today let us see exercise number A. complete this passage using suitable degrees of comparison of the adjectives in the brackets. So within the bracket, these adjectives are given there. We have to use the suitable degrees of comparison. Let's see the first one. The dog was. The dog was within bracket famous is there. So let us write that only. Okay, positive form. The dog was famous for his cunning. He was cleverer than. Okay, within bracket clever is there, so that will be cleverer. I'll just write down on the board the first option. Okay, first option, this will be famous. And then we have the he was. Okay, he was cleverer. So here we will write famous, then cleverer. For cleverer than the other animals. Once he tricked an innocent tailor bird. Okay, here we will write. Okay, an innocent. Innocent tailor birds. The bird built his nest on the lowest, on the lowest branch of a tree. Here I will be writing lowest, lowest branch of a tree, as he trusted the fox for his friend. So this way, please complete this exercise. I have just given you the starting and the rest. Okay, please try to do it on your own. In case of any difficulties, please ask. We have here, question number 2, 1 and 2 are there. So please do them on your own. And if faced with difficulties, as I have already told you before, please ask. Hope you have all understood. If you face little difficulties, you ask me. Thank you so much.